dewalt dcf961 unboxing. Here's the old tried and true. Alright, let's check it out. So here we got the box that it came in. Floor. So here is the $8.99. We will get a side-by-side comparison. Got the little manual here. Mode explanation, precision wrench mode, help over tightening and forward and fastener runoff. Reverse forward tool pauses after impacting, starts to prevent over tightening. Reverse tool lower speed when fasteners loose to help prevent runoff. Low speed mode, tool operates at reduced speed and forward to help prevent over tightening with small fasteners. Forward tool produces maximum rated output of 100 foot-pounds. Reverse tool operates at maximum breakaway 1750. Medium speed 900 foot-pounds in forward, 1750 in breakaway. High speed 1200 foot-pounds of tightening and 1750 at breakaway. Pretty neat. Cool. And I got this guy. As you can see, brand spanking new. Sorry, the camera angles are terrible. Dcf961. Comes with a battery. This is a special 5 amp hour oil resistant battery. So it's got no charge on it. I like that green light. That's pretty neat. I'll throw it on the charger after. Let's test it out. Damn, this thing is fucking huge. Oh my god, that's on speed 3. Let's get them both on. All right, they're both on speed 3. Oh my god. Wow, you see look at how much that twists my wrist. That's crazy. This one's gnarly. This one's fucking huge. Pretty cool. You see how they changed the design of the heads. The screws go through the metal now instead of through the plastic. Fucking monstrous head on this thing. Pretty cool though. Alright, well, here you go. That's the unboxing. Never gonna use this thing ever. Just bought it just to have it, just because it's nice. If the tried and true don't work, I'll pull this bad boy out. Or my dad has the new Milwaukee one, but this one's better, so that's why I got it. But yeah, that's it. End of review.